Enjoy a delicious protein-packed, gut-healthy chicken salad. Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making my gut-healthy chicken salad that I eat almost every week. I'm obsessed with this salad, it's so good. Start by chopping 2 cups of mixed greens and add to a bowl. Add in 2 slices of diced red pepper and a 1/4 cup of diced red onion. Next, chop 4 ounces of chicken. I use boneless, skinless chicken breasts here as I meal prep these weekly, but you can use any kind of leftover chicken that you have on hand. You can even use leftover steak if you want. Next, add in a 1/4 cup of sauerkraut. I love using wild brine. I use different flavors in this salad all the time and they're all delicious. I also add in 1 teaspoon of fresh minced garlic. And last, add in 1 tablespoon of roasted and salted pumpkin seeds and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. For the dressing, I make my own using just 3 ingredients, which keeps this free of seed oils, soy, and flavors, which are totally not needed in a healthy salad. Just sprinkle everything bagel seasoning on top and drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Mix it up and you have a delicious gut-healthy salad that I'm sure you're going to love as much as I do. If you want more easy, healthy recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.